Before the pandemic, I used to swim for exercise. I'd often spend my lunch break doing laps at the pool close to my office. But when the pools were forced to close, I needed to shift gears, literally. I got a bike. Switching to cycling wasn't easy, but I made it a priority to get outside on the bike. I quickly realized how beneficial this sudden change was. Now I cycle around Calgary and the mountains instead of staring at the bottom of a pool. It's been a nice reminder for me to embrace change, always keep my head up, and look for those great opportunities that are sometimes hiding in plain sight.